So it's been about 7 months since Wifey Sauce and I first began major home renovations on our living room of our new house that we bought earlier this year. And it's finally done. Well, they still need to install the light switches, but for the most part, it's completely finished. We could not be happier with the end result, and I'm super excited to finally show it to you guys after all this time. So without further ado, this is our new living room. But there it is. Yeah, let's take a quick tour, shall we? This is sort of our dining area. That's the kitchen over there. If you guys remember, this cutout was already here, although we did remove some of the framing that was around it. Just makes it look a bit more modern. Same with the entryway that goes to the dining room. All the framing is now gone. It's just kind of a clean cut design. This is a temporary table that we got very graciously. We're gifted from Heather's grandmother, but it is quite dated, as you can see. It's still in really good condition for how ancient it is, but we are planning to replace it with a large dining table that can seat the same number of people. Big star of the show here is the double doors. So we've got two large doors. These are Fleetwood, that's the name of the brand. They open from the middle, so they're French style, and they pocket into the outer panels, so you can really get sort of an open feel in this room when both of them are open. It's really great when there's good weather outside and you just kind of want to get some air. The cats are loving the place so far, as you can see. Our couch now looks smaller than it ever did before. It's still a great couch, but we are going to replace it with a slightly larger one that's going to fill up the space a bit nicer and maybe seat a couple more people, just to make it a bit more cozy in here. And then we'll probably have to get a new coffee table and a new chair. I don't even know where this chair came from. Whose chair is this? The TV is the LG C9 OLED 4K TV. It's beautiful, although the entertainment center looks a little bit small here, so we're probably going to have to get a new one of those. I'm not sure exactly what to do here. I definitely want to wall mount the TV, but we definitely need a wider entertainment center at the very least. It'd be kind of cool to do like one of those built-in electric fireplaces underneath, although I wouldn't want it to compromise on any of the functionality or storage that an entertainment center is supposed to provide, so we'll have to think about that more later. The HTPC is still here. I know it's on the floor. Paul would be disappointed in me. However, it's not even functional right now because I think I posted about this in a YouTube story. Oh, it's not even plugged in. The pump on the AAO is completely dead. It just stopped working probably last week. I haven't really inspected it since then, but maybe we'll do a follow-up video on that soon. The lighting, canister lighting. We have 8 lights. These are just regular, I don't know, 3600 Kelvin in-house lights. So no, they're not RGB, they're not Philips Hue. I wanted to stray away from making these smart bulbs because I just felt like that would just be 8 more points of failure and just more complicated than it really needs to be. Instead, I opted for smart switches that I mentioned earlier are not installed yet, but we have these, what is it? Lutro, something, no, not Lutra Customs. Lutron, but these Lutron cassetta switches will be going in pretty much every spot possible. You can see the blue tape is where they're supposed to go. And these will allow us to control all the lights with our phone or Google Home or Amazon Alexa and things like that. The flooring is identical to the rest of the house. It's luxury SPC vinyl, sort of a stone and plastic composite, completely waterproof. When we first moved into the house and initially bought the material for the rest of the house, we bought enough material for this room as well. Here's a quick demo of our awesome doors. It's my second favorite part. Oh, cat's going. Cat's making a jailbreak. Boy, you're not allowed outside. Not at night. Remember what happened last time? Yeah, that wasn't good, was it? Get out of here. Get out of here. They're so heavy, but they slide so easy. It's a really nice, satisfying feeling. When we get the new couch in, we'll probably, put some stuff around it, like a nice console table, a couple more plants. Although, I'm really hating putting plants in the house because these little a-holes keep messing with them. Keep eating them. Don't we feed you enough, you little fatties? Yeah, they keep eating the plants. Let's see if, oh yeah, you can see just tons of bite marks here, chomping on it all day. This plant is a little too small for this corner anyway. We'll probably have to get, they even chew the fake ones. They're just demons. And one thing I'm really happy about is that these doors allow so much more natural light into this room. This was one of the darkest and dingiest looking rooms in the house when we first moved in, and now it gets the most sunlight despite this huge wall not having any windows whatsoever. So that's great. We don't have to use these lights as much during the day. One thing I should mention is that we are probably going to get some sort of, hutch, like a dining hutch or maybe some bar. I don't know. We haven't decided. But you can see there's a lot of unused space here that really needs to be addressed. Oh, by the way, you're probably wondering what the heck is that on the floor. This is an aftermarket exhaust for my car, and I'll be doing a video on that very soon. It's from AWE. It's the switch path exhaust for the Audi RS3 2018 8V, and I am super excited to show that to you guys very soon. Oh, we got AC and heating in this room too. It does a fantastic job of just keeping the climate under control in here, just like the rest of the house. Whereas before, if it was cold outside, it was cold in here, and if it was hot outside, you just never really wanted to be in this room pretty much. But now, it's a lot more comfortable. Now, sorry for the abrupt drop-in shot here, guys, but I did want to show you the outside of the house during the day when there's a bit more light so you can actually see it. I kind of lied when I said the house was completely done. The outside still needs a good coat of paint, but we actually have to wait for the stucco to dry completely, and that could take a few weeks. You can see we did install the patio lights, so we got 2 on each side. Wifey Sauce picked them out. I think they look pretty nice. They actually emit light from both sides, so they kind of shoot up and down, sort of gives it a unique look. We also got 2 ring motion sensor lights, one right here and another on the other side of the house, just to help illuminate the backyard when there's any movement or activity back here. You might have also noticed that there's still plastic wrap on the outside of the doors. We're basically just keeping them there until the stucco is all painted, because we're just a little paranoid of them getting ruined. Now we just gotta worry about landscaping the backyard. That's a whole different story for another time. Let's go back inside. So there it is, the new living room. We could not be happier with how it turned out, and we could not be more excited that we have nearly 2/3 of the real estate of our house back that we can actually use again. You can expect that there will be another update probably at some point when we actually have more furnishing going on in the room, but that's probably not going to be for several months out until it's exactly where we want it, and then maybe I'll do a final living room wrap-up video at that point. Ooh, I should show them the big Christmas tree we got. Yeah, it's too big. Why did we get this? It's ridiculous! It was actually too big to fit comfortably on either of our cars, so when it was delivered, I actually had to take my PET tube cutters to the top of the tree so it wouldn't hit the ceiling. You better not mess up our tree. If you mess up my tree, I'll mess up you. Yeah, you better run. What's happening in here? Oh, can down, can down. Oh my God, there's a leak. Don't say the L word.
Bowl, please.
Mr. Graybowl. Both running the washer. This is the first time we've run this dishwasher ever. Like, we've never run it before. We were actually kind of terrified. We're still terrified. We're not sure if it's working properly. It is making noises. It sounds like it's working, but Wifey Sauce has been like cleaning it out all day, and she just started a cycle. The water's draining into the sink. It's going to the proper place. It's not oozing out of every crevice of the house. We have a working dishwasher. Hell yeah. Ooh, 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 ooh. So now that this thing's going, are we ready to decorate the tree? What are you doing with the flashlight?
Making sure, once again, it's not peeking.
You are so paranoid. Okay, where are the Christmas tree ornaments?
Garage.
Oh. Okay. God, this garage is wrecked. HyperX. Wait, is there a headset in there? It's a nice box. Ooh, beer pong stuff. There's a lot of goodies in here.
Yay, my tree topper.
Oh my God, that's creepy.
No, it's not. It's cute. Here.
I don't want to take creepy Santa. All right, here. Here's Santa.
Please be cute. Can I have the flashlight, please?
FBI, open up. Any other goodies? Ooh, glide cam. This is nice. Oh no, ornaments. Where's the glide cam? Careful now. More ornaments.
Cute ones.
The cute ones. We have ugly ones?
I can't grab these.
Well, I'm not much taller, but I can try. If I can't use my body, I'll use my mind.
Obviously, your mind isn't very strong. Wait, you kind of pushed it forward. Maybe you can grab the bottom now. Oh, Kyle, stop!
Calm down, woman. I know how physics works. I have an NVIDIA GPU. Ow. Ugh, this better be Christmas crap. It is Christmas crap. Lights and stuff.
I like how you put Santa Claus on the dirty box.
Oh, he was already dirty. Just look at him. And the decorating has begun. Let's see what ornaments we got here. We have some furry friends. Pair of owls. What is that, rats? Oh, these are elephants. Elephant rats. Gopher. Tall boys. You've already met creepy Santa. The heck is this? Wait, why are we putting truck nuts on the Christmas tree? All right, tree update. We just put on all the lights that we have, and it looks pretty spectacular. You ready to see it? Here it is. Those are literally all the lights we have. Underestimated how much bigger this tree is than last year's.
Yeah.
It's too late to go to the store to buy more lights, so we pretty much have to shelf this till tomorrow. Why does this tree have to be so damn thick? So we're in the old Target now, and they are completely sold out of the lights we need. I just checked Walmart. They're sold out too. This totally sucks. All right, dude, found an option. Amazon. They'll be here by tomorrow. Now, even Amazon doesn't have the lights that we need, but I did find this option. 300 count, $25. We could buy 2 of them. That would more than cover the tree. What do you say?
Are you sure that 300 is going to be enough? Because I don't think that's enough.
We're gonna get 2 of them, so we'll have 600.
I don't know if that's going to be enough either.
We'll get 3 of them, we'll have 900.
That might be enough.
Okay, I'm doing it. Locking it in. The lights came. If they messed the order up, if they screwed this up, I'm gonna cancel Christmas. Please. Are those lights? Yes.
They're ugly, that's for sure.
They're not ugly.
I don't like these ones.
Why? What's wrong with them?
They're ugly.
I think these ones are ugly. These are little peepees.
You can't say that.
I can say peepees on camera.
Let's plug these in and see how they look.
Okay.
Would you be honest?
I would be honored. Please, for the love of God, don't suck. Hey, those are nice. Okay, I'm gonna press the button. Oh, seizure mode. Let's just do that. I'm pressing it again. That might just be static. That's what you want, right? Well, let's see what else we got here. But that's kind of fun. Okay, these are better than the other ones. I mean, the only thing is that it's not RGB. I'll help you in just a second, honey. I'll be right there.
Are you getting a drink?
No.
Are you gonna offer me one at least?
Yes, I am getting a drink, and I was about to offer you one. What, this kombucha? Some booch from a hooch? Well, honey, I can't make this alcoholic kombucha taste any better, but I can serve it to you in this awesome Bitwit pint glass. Bitwit.tech holiday sale, go get it now. Can we decorate the tree now?
I'm waiting for you.
Oh. The tree is complete and it's Christmassy as fudge. It actually turned out pretty good. Good job, honey. Good teamwork.
I'll go to bed now.
I know, it's super late. Thank you very much for watching this video. We're gonna end it here. I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas or a Happy Holiday, or if you don't celebrate anything, then just have an awesome day. Toss a like on the video if you enjoyed it. Get subscribed for more tree decorating content not on the way, and I will see you guys in the next video.